Hey everybody, today's topic is a beautiful and interesting topic that has to do with something that we all have. We all have built in, and that is the power of our hands. Our hands are incredibly powerful, and they have natural healing ability that you can harness to help yourself and others. And this is all of us. We all have this. So, the hands, if you think about all of the different types of religions, traditions, and things like that that go back for so many years, you see so many different mudras, hand gestures, different ways that people place their hands, different things, different symbols. It's very symbolic through the traditions. So our hands are literally like psychic transmitter sensory vessels. We have palm chakras, and we have all of these points in our hands that literally transmit energy. So when you place your hands together, for example, in this position, put your hands together this way, you are literally forming a circuit within your energy system, and the energy really is able to loop and flow that way. So this is one way that you can do it. Another way is to put your hands this way, fingers together. I've seen a lot of channelers and a lot of psychics that put their hands together this way intuitively. And I will find that many times when I'm channeling, my hands will automatically go together without me even thinking about it. So this energy, this prana, this chi, this life force energy that runs through us can be channeled to really help not just yourself, but others. So there are many different ways you can use your hands. Now, you don't have to have any special training to do this. That's what's so cool about it. You have to have mindfulness. In other words, just be aware. You have to be able to just focus your emotion into this and use intention. Use strong intention for healing, for example. Healing intention, the emotion, and just being aware. You know, something that feels absolutely amazing to the body is to take your hands and place your hands over your heart. Now, if you do this with me right now, and you take a breath with me, just a couple of deep breaths, and you just feel the beat of your own precious heart, and you feel that warmth underneath your hands, and you just pay attention to the sensations going on there. That circuit, I just feel all of this healing energy just moving through me right now, this calming energy. And if you tune out all of the noise around you and you just focus for a moment, just a couple of minutes, you will feel this loving, healing energy that you emit naturally. Now, if you want to charge up your hands and rub your hands together and just really get that energy moving, you rub them together this way, take your hands apart, and you can just feel them vibrate, and you can feel that friction and all that energy moving. So if you want to charge up and then try it, it's really magical because it heals. It helps calm the nervous system. And when we're in a state of calm, the calmer we are, for example, when we're sleeping, you're really in a state of healing that way because you're so close to, you're not aware, you're not consciously aware. But the more calm that we can be, the more we can heal whatever it is going on with us. Emotional health. I'm telling you, your hands are so tied to emotional health for yourself. When a person is injured, your child, for example, The first thing that the child will usually do, or that you want to do, is put your hands on the area that's bothering them. Your healing hands, the warmth of those hands. And it's just really, it's a gift that we all have, that so many people, you don't even know that you do. You don't even know that you're capable of making yourself feel better. You really are. And again, Reiki training is a, a Japanese tradition, a healing art that you can learn. That's just one example that's a bit more focused with symbols and things, but it is using the hands and it is using these palm chakras. But you emit all this amazing healing energy without any training. It takes a little practice. You practice this. Practice some things with your hands and see how it feels to you. You might really be surprised at the sensations that you feel through your body, through your entire vessel. Another place that you can really place your hands and feel the energy, in my opinion, is the crown chakra, which is your head area. So I charge up my hands, and I'm thinking right now, I'm thinking the intentions of just running this healing energy for myself, just a reset for myself. So I'm consciously aware of it. Now I'm going to put this emotion behind it, this passion behind it, and I'm going to place my hands on my head. And I immediately go into, I can feel that energy running like a faucet. It's just running through me like this liquid love, this liquid light. And that's what it really is. So for those of you that are aware of what's going on with your body energetically, you can align your own energy with your own hands and with intention and just thinking about it and just with the desire to do so. And that is a tool that you can always use. And if you love working with energy, you find that you really love working with energy, there's different types of training that you can undergo to fine tune and zoom in on some different areas. Another thing that you can do to really feel the energy is charge up your hands. Let's charge them up, charge them up. You can put your hands, close your eyes, and start to move your hands together. And you can feel, ooh, I'm so energy sensitive, it's nuts. You can feel when your hands are getting really close to each other. You can feel that electromagnetic field and that pull. You can feel that. So it's so fascinating, really. But you can, yeah, I'm just kind of putting my hands together right now like if there were a ball of energy between my hands. And if I come to about right here, I can feel that subtle difference because I'm very tuned into it. But it's fun to play with energy, and it really opens your mind too. It opens you to a world of absolutely amazing things because we are all energetic beings. We are energy, and we have that life force just pulsing through our bodies. So I just wanted to remind you today about the power that you have within your own hands and being able to form these circuits, putting your hands together, putting your hands over your heart. Now, this is a mindful practice too. You can use this for 5 minutes at a time for like meditation, for just a calming relaxation session for yourself. You can do that. And I encourage you to do it and try it and tell me about it. Tell me what you feel. Tell me what you see in your mind's eye. It will put you in a state of being fully present when you do this. Fully present. And we all know that right here right now is where the magic happens, when we are in the present moment. So give it a try. Let me know how it goes. And I want to hear your comments. And until then, I will catch you around the corner, all the way around the corner on the next video.